Sometimes downloaded videos take a lot of storage on your phone, so deleting them can help free up space. So hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete all downloads on YouTube. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. After that, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Downloads. Here, you will see all your downloaded videos from YouTube. Here, you can also delete videos one by one if you want. If you want to delete a single video, tap on the three dots beside that video. Then tap on Delete from Downloads. And if you want to delete all your downloaded videos in one click, simply tap on the settings icon from here. After that, here you tap on Delete all downloads. Now tap on Delete to confirm. Now all your downloaded videos have been deleted successfully. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.